Skills needed for future of work. Very, very interesting question. I'm not sure about this is from what perspective, but my understanding is that the utmost important skill for future of workers to understand the internet and how it works and its positive impact on us and to handle with that positive impact on business. For example, we need to create new business models. We need to gear up for e-commerce and e-businesses. We need to do social marketing. We need to have behavioral training. We need to have something which can handle customer relationship through internet. We need researchers. We need research to be done. We need a lot of people to do data analytics. We need better service delivery through internet and remote means. I guess, for example, if you have heard about Aether Energy and Ola scooters in the recent past, their media bulletins very clearly say that they are not going to have dealership, they are not going to have service centers, but everything will be done through their e-business portals with people attending to the services or whatever may be at your doorstep. This is how we have to gear up. This is how we have to handle business, for which the skills that are required are totally different, not necessarily far away from what we are today, but to a certain extent to understand the needs and the internet, that the influence of the internet, and address that accordingly. Today we see there is a huge cyber skill gap in the country which needs to be addressed, for which we need to do gap analysis. Universities, unfortunately, we do have pathetic situation. Our education system, especially in the government university, uh, has to gear up, for which business has to collaborate in a big way. Professional certifications is another key area that we need to concentrate instead of looking at what do you call degrees and diplomas that has to be given. So the skill gap is very big. We need a different kind of skill set right now, which has to also combine with attitude, for which we need a lot of training. That's a key skill, I'll say. So if we can address all that, things will change.